Okay, next tool up for the mini lathe is a little chuck, a Morse 2 taper chuck I ordered, and it came from Germany. So for £20 you get an actual chuck, a chuck key and a Morse 2 taper arbor. We'll get our yucky rag out for this one. Can't complain yet, it's all gloopy and gooey of oil, but I'd be the first to complain if it came dry. So that's not a bad thing, it's definitely a plus. Oh, it looks lovely. So yeah, you have it. It's got written on it 1.5 to 13mm ½ inch -20 UNF. Lovely little chuck. Tip of it there. Alright. It's not having it. We will bring you over. There we go. Nice piece of kit. Lovely jubbly. So £20, I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. This is the one without the part on the bottom, but you can add that part if you need, the flat lock part. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Very nice. Well, that's miles better than the one that's on the drill press, that's for sure. But this is going on a lathe. And as you may know, I have a dead center that came with the lathe. Nice enough dead center, can't complain. But now we're nearly balling. Just waiting for a few more things coming for this. But yes, that's us got some drill action. Look forward to this machine. Lovely, fits perfectly. This is the 7x14 mini lathe from Amadeo. Absolute peach, comes with a few extras compared to some other lathes. Yeah. Nice little chuck. Bye for now, guys.